In this example, we're going to show you how to use the custom CView that you just created for machining. Also going to show you how to look at views that are derived from the CView that you just made. The first step is to change the coordinate system up at the top from world coordinates to view coordinates. As we said earlier, the part is not machinable in this position, so we had to create a custom CView to make it machinable. So by going up to the coordinate system and changing it from world to view coordinates, that will be the first step in making it machinable. The next step we have to do is move over to the CView button and tell it what CView that we want to machine in. I'll click on the CView button and I'll move down to the CView we created and I'll double click on it. And that changes us to CView number 9. If we look at the CView indicator here, the Z-axis is now pointing straight up and down. The Y-axis was pointing to the top of the part. The X-axis is pointing off to the side. As far as SURFCAM is concerned, the part is machinable at this point. But for our visual representation, probably a good thing to do is change it into something that looks machinable. If we go over to these two buttons here, we see World and View. If we look at the view, we are in an isometric view. We have the 8 standard ways of looking at the part. We also have a way of looking at it in our CView that we've created. I'm going to click Cancel right now. The key to all of this is this button right here. We're looking at the isometric view in world coordinates, but we want to look at the isometric view in the CView coordinates that we've created. So if I click on the World button here, that will change it to an isometric view based upon the view coordinate system that we created earlier, that is CView number 9. This is called a parent-child view. So once you've established a particular CView and switch this button to View, you can move over to the View button and see what the corresponding view would be in any other view. So here's the top view based upon view coordinates. What does the top view look like based on world coordinates? Simply click on the button here and we're looking at a top view. Click again and we're back to the top view of the CView system that we've created for view coordinates. If I change it to a front view in view coordinates, front view in world coordinates. So in this case, one view is derived from the other. I'm going to change it back to the isometric view and back to view coordinates. In this case, just run down the checklist. We're in an isometric view based upon view coordinates. We're in CView number 9. Our coordinate system is at view. So now we're ready to machine. If we wanted to machine this part, all we have to do is click on NC, 2-axis, pocket, chain, done. Give it a depth, and accept. And we have machined the part.